Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use your phone in Mary Avenue. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use your phone to text, selfie, and make calls in the game. So what you need to do is just click on the arrow, the blue arrow, and tap on the phone, and then here your phone screen will show up and your avatar will holding the phone like this, and you can do some actions on the phone. You can see the weather, you can here see the jobs available. Go to the settings of the phone, or you can also call someone from here. You can see some cannot be called. You can just choose which one, and after that here you can also message someone on your phone. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.